Welcome to the walkthrough of your new luxury 2.5 story home, designed on a 30 by 40 feet plot. Starting with the ground floor, we have a spacious living room and a dedicated shrine room for peace and prayer. The layout includes a modern kitchen, a dining area, and a common bathroom, and a bedroom for convenience. Moving to the first floor, we focus on privacy and relaxations. This floor features a large bedroom with its own private balcony, along with two additional bedrooms and a cozy family lounge. As requested, this level is dedicated to living spaces without a kitchen or bathroom. Finally, the mezzanine level offers a multi-purpose room and a vast open terrace, perfect for outdoor activities or a rooftop garden. The exterior showcases a modern luxury aesthetic with a blend of wood, glass, and concrete textures, ensuring a sophisticated look from every angle. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.